Hello everyone, my name is Piyush Gupta and I am from Uttar Pradesh and I can complete my BTech in 2025 from APJ Abdul Kalam University. I want to share my experience with their aviation technology. I joined aviation to improve my IT skills and prepare for a join and the IT industry. During this training, I learned window administration, networking, and Microsoft 365, Active Directory, Azure base, and desktop support. This training help us to evaluate topics is very simple and easy way. Also had prepared lab session which help me to understand how these skills are used for a real companies. Whenever I had any doubts, the trainer will be also help and explain again. Evision also help me with their resume preparation and interview preparation. In this mock interview, our technical guide give me a more comfort to attend the interview. With the knowledge I can gain from their training and my own hard work, I was able to clean my interview and receive a job offer from DCM Infotech Limited with the package of 3.5 LPA. I am very happy with this achievement and I have thankful for Evasion Technology for this support and guidance. Overall, my experience with their Evasion Technologies was a very good and the trainer was good and the training was supportive and learn environment was excellent. I could recommend Vision Technology to join everyone who want to learn IT skill and prepare for a career in their IT industry. Thank you for entire Vision team.